We just got done watching the movie No Way Up. This was a rated R movie that came out in 2024. It is a 1 hour and 30-minute movie. It's about when a plane crashes in the Pacific Ocean and comes to rest on the edge of an underwater ravine. The survivors face a race against time to escape the airlock gallery that they're trapped in. Dun, dun, dun. It's an action adventure. I actually thought it was really good. It's very intense. It's completely a underwater situation, so if you're a claustrophobic type, this may not be the movie for you, because it is very like intense with it being, you know, underwater and stuff. But yeah, I would give it a solid 4 out of 5 stars. I enjoyed it. I thought the acting was great. I liked the casting. I didn't recognize a lot of the people in it, but yeah, I thought that everything was really good about it. What would you give it out of 5 stars?
A 3.
A 3. Yeah, I would recommend this if you enjoy intense action movies that are very suspenseful. Survival style movies, ocean movies, plane crash movies, any of those, this would be for you. Let me know in the comment section if you've seen this movie, what you thought of No Way Up. I'll link it below. And if you haven't seen this movie, do you typically like movies that involve like plane crashes, car crashes, train crashes, vehicles crashing in some way and there being some kind of a survival story from that? Do you like this style of movies? Let me know down below, and I'll see you in the next video.